Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to TD Bank Account online. To log into TD Bank Account online, first of all, open up a web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Now in the URL box, type in td.com. After you make a search for it, you will be taken to the official site for TD Bank. From the home page, go to the top right section of the screen and tap on the Login button. Now click on one of the options from the menu. I'm gonna click Easy Web. After you do that, you will be taken to the login page. Type down your username or access card number in the first text box. You will then need to type down your password for your online banking account. Make sure that you are entering the correct password and username, and then if you don't remember your password or username, you can get help by tapping on Forgot your username or password link at the bottom. After entering your correct credential, tap on Login, and then you will be logged in and ready to manage your finances, whether it's checking balances, paying bills, or transferring money. Just make sure to log out whenever you are done and avoid using public Wi-Fi for banking. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.